Alright, this is 2454 North McMullen Booth Road, and we've got the camera in 83 feet, and we've jet cleaned much or further past that area. That's just as far as we can get the camera in. So I just want to show that all the lines have been cleared out, and then I'll try to get a good picture of the mound of calcium buildup that we pulled out of these pipes. So you can see where the old line used to be. That's how full these pipes are with this calcium debris scale. You can see it up the sides there of how high it was. So the pipe was probably only getting about a 2/3 flow when we first got here. So you can see how much cleaner that pipe is. It looks really good. Close to the clean out. So this is the pile. All this was calcium debris we pulled out of there. Big chunks of it. So that whole pile came out of the pipe. So now that it's all clean, shouldn't have any other issues with calcium buildup. Thanks for watching.